Yẹra, yẹra, yẹra. So the word ye, it means to dodge. You know, that action you take when someone throws something at you and you be like, that is ye. Oh yeah, Abby, I dodge. Then plus ara. Ara is body. Ara is body. So when you then say ye, ara, then when two vowels follow each other, one of them is not needed. In this case, ye, ara, this one is off. So you then give it as yera. Yera. Yera, which means to dodge something or someone, to avoid something or someone, to avoid a situation is yera. So you then want to avoid something, you want to have that expression, then you can yera fun noun or pronoun or thing, you know. Yera fun. See, I need to avoid you. Nilati yera fun. Right, so you need to avoid me. Onilati yẹra fún mi. Mo yẹra fún ọtí fún ìgbà díẹ̀. I want to avoid alcohol for some time, right? Oh, nilati yẹra fún mi o. You don't have to avoid me. You don't have to dodge me. So ye ara, like take yourself, like dodge yourself out of the situation, or don't let someone see you. Or it's also in Yera class, right? That's why Òṣùpá sang ẹni abambarin mafunra ẹni afunra sí mà ló gbà ká yẹra. So if you're working with someone, you don't need to be suspicious. Once you start suspecting the person, you yẹra. Right? So yẹra, to avoid, to dodge, to keep a distance, is also in yẹra. So to avoid someone or a situation or something is to yẹra fún the person. So can you use yẹra in 5 sentences? Let's see what you have. Boom.
eayoruba.com